So it's day 14 of Vlogmas, and today is a very special day. As you can see, everyone's very excited, and that's mainly because of this little guy, not so little guy, turned 13 today. Happy birthday, Joe. And he is playing with the new computer that he got for his birthday, which we'll be setting up in his room later on. But yes, there's just general birthday carnage of cards and wrapping paper and lots of presents that have been opened. So yeah, what a great start to the day. Everyone, happy National Christmas Jumper Day! Yay! You're going to get sick of seeing these jumpers.
I went into Waitrose today and every member of staff was wearing a Christmas jumper.
Yeah, same in Tesco's.
It's great.
Not in grumpy old Lidl, they weren't.
No, I walked past him and he was filling up the shelves in the refrigerator section and I just went, nice jumper. And he said, back at you.
Well, that's the difference. In Waitrose, that's the lovely festive interaction you get with people chatting with each other, admiring each other's Christmas jumpers. There was like queue rage in Lidl.
Was there?
And because there was just two queues and they were both ridiculous, and then a new one opened and you know there's that mad dash and then people were arguing over who was first and everything else, and there's a man standing there shouting, patience is a virtue! And then in Tesco's, it was like trolley wars. There were just so many big trolleys and no one could get anywhere. They were just trying to stop each other at the same time. So I've just got back. Funnily enough, you might be able to tell I'm a bit stressed. And the first thing I said to Nikki is I'm not going anywhere near a supermarket outside of like before 10 p.m.
No,
between now and Christmas. I haven't got a delivery slot booked, so I am going to have to physically do my shop, which I'm fine with. But I'm going at midnight.
Yeah. Right, we are making plum chutney.
Plum and ginger chutney.
This is for having with cold meats and with cheese over Christmas.
So first of all, we need to give a shout out to our lovely Swedish friend Christina, who has since moved back to Sweden.
She has.
But when she moved, she cleared out her freezer and she gave you about what? Well, we reckon it must be about 4 or 5 kilos.
I think about 5 kilos of plums.
All de-stoned already.
And washed.
And all we've had to do is take them out of the freezer and thaw them.
Yeah.
So I know that if you want to follow along with this recipe, you're going to have to buy the plums and stone the plums. And
unless you know Christina and she has left you with some already ready plums.
Although I believe that this recipe works just as well with apples. So if you wants to do like an apple chutney, then you could.
It's a good to know recipe. But we'll tell you what we're doing as we go along. We're doubling everything up.
Let's show you the plums. So in here, this is 2 kilos. Okay, we've got 12 little jars, so we're just going to see how many we can fit in that first of all. So we've got 2 kilos. I think there's some damsons and some plums in there because those darker skins look like they're damsons.
More purpley.
Yeah, because plums are usually purple with like orange skin, and then these are black with pink flesh. So let's start with those. It's going to be delicious. So what else do we need? We chuck these in this massive
massive pot. Then we need onions and sultanas.
Sorry everyone, we got a bit carried away there and forgot you guys were here, and we just started chucking stuff in the pan. So Nikki's crying from the onions. So now we've got the plums in there. We've got 500 grams of sultanas. We've got 4 onions.
2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then we're about to grate in a very large thumb size piece of ginger.
It's bigger than mine.
That's going in. And then we've got 2 whole bottles of white wine vinegar to go in.
And we've got to grate some nutmeg.
So that's what we're going to do next.
So next we need some sugar. And that's 400 grams per 1 kilogram of sugar. So that is actually 800 grams.
Chuck it in.
That is going in.
I grated the ginger in quite chunky pieces because I don't know about you, but I like a nice big chunk of ginger. That's That's the best way for me. Don't want it to meld in with the sauce.
No.
I just want it to... Okay, nutmeg time?
Nutmeg time. I think it's a teaspoon of nutmeg, so that's half a teaspoon if you're just doing half the size.
Okay, so that's pretty much going to be a whole nutmeg.
Whole nutmeg.
Woo! Whoa! We might be here for a while. Grating nutmeg takes forever.
This is quite a vicious grater. We also need to add some salt. I can't remember how much. Why don't you consult the...
Let's consult. 2 teaspoons, but that's for 1 kilo, so we need 4 teaspoons. So here's the salt. I'll pass that over to Nicola. So your nose gets a chillin', frolicking play.
Oh, I love
the
nutmeg.
Eskimo way, walking in a winter.
I need to hurry, she's singing now. You need to stop the singing at all costs.
That's all right, YouTube probably won't let us keep that in anyway. We keep copyrighting all our singing.
How can they copyright our singing?
Well, if we're singing songs that are other people's. Because we sound so much like the original music.
We do. Do you like my
No, that's
Christmas
clearly not
lights
what's happening.
up in the kitchen?
Yeah, look.
And
so festive.
my polar bear's got entangled in them.
Oh, let's go see him. What's his name?
Oliver.
Oliver, obviously. Just perfect polar bear name. Oh, he
Not
looks like
Ollie,
he's been
Oliver.
trapped.
He has.
He's been caught in a bear trap.
He's
Christmas
very
bear
festive. Right, that's as much as I can do without taking my fingers off.
Well, a bit of finger might make it taste better. Give it
How
a
many?
special ingredient. 4 teaspoons.
4 teaspoons, okay. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, I think that's it, other than the vinegar.
Yes.
So let's go through it together. We've got plums, onions, sultanas, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, sugar, and now, finally, white wine vinegar.
How much of that?
So this is 600 mils per kilo. Oh, it smells vinegary in here now.
What should I measure that with?
Well, it's about a third of the bottle, isn't it? It's 600.
I'm more of a measurer. Not in my sewing, but I am in my cooking.
I am with baking. With this kind of thing, I just go, yeah, that's about enough. So we're going to heat it up now to boiling, and then we're going to let it simmer for boil for 20 to 30 minutes.
Yep.
It's going
At
to
the
be very
moment,
vinegary in
it's
here.
just at the moment it just smells really strongly of vinegar, and that's going to get even stronger when we put the heat on. But eventually, that vinegar is going to boil off, and the sweetness of the plums and the lovely spices and
the sugar.
They're going to be the more dominant smell. So I'm looking forward to that. I mean, obviously, chutney's always vinegary, though, isn't it? That's the nature of it.
That's why it's like that. So we've got our jars are already prepared.
Let me show you the jars. Just over here. So, being guarded by the Santa's earbuds. So there, that's what's going in. That's what the chutney's going in. So the chutney's bubbling away. Smells amazing.
Already, yeah.
So we are using Nikki's Sizzix to cut our Christmas scraps into little covers for the top of the, you know when you put a little circle on top of the jar and you tie it up with some string. What is that called? A jam cover, jar cover?
Jar cover. There's sometimes fabric, there's sometimes paper.
Yeah, we're doing
fabric.
Sorry, it's just hard with that groove in your table. So good on you.
Jingle bells, put some stars on there.
Right, I think you might just be able to see that one. I'm going to grab it from it. Oh, by the way, brief interlude. For those of you who are asking, I keep talking about Quality Street. These are Quality Street. So come in a big tin in these beautiful foil wrappers. And my favourites are, it's called the Big Purple.
The big purple one.
And the Green Triangle. They're my two favourites. Although these days, these little orangey crispy ones are good too. What are your favourites?
I like the strawberry cream. Mostly because no one else likes them and I love them. And then the orange cream is my other favourite.
Yeah, they're the least popular ones. So Nikki's sorted because she's going to get all my leftovers and everybody else's.
And the size of a house.
Look at my fringe. I'm so glad that our hairdresser is coming on Monday because this fringe has just got...
It's got a life of its own. You're turning into Claudia.
Look.
Claudia. Oh, it's down to your nose nearly.
It's ridiculous. At a push though, the fudge.
Oh, I hate fudge.
Yeah, the fudge. But I'm gonna dive in with the Green Triangle.
Go for it. Those are my mum's favourites.
Yeah.
Green triangles.
That's what you're looking
for. That is. Right. There you go. There's two. Try it.
I've got my mouth full because I'm so excited. My diet ends today. I gave myself the deadline of my son's birthday. I've lost half a stone, which is what I wanted to do for Christmas.
Done.
I'm now going to put it all back on eating chocolate.
Yeah. Mostly at my house.
But I have had no chocolate for
Is that your first one? Is that your first chocolate?
So this is special times.
Yay! Try that on the jam jar.
Perfect, because when they're bigger, even if you don't get them on straight to start off with, you can adjust them.
Yeah.
Quite easily.
I think we'll leave the elastic. I'm happy to leave the elastic band on.
Well, I think the elastic band just helps you get the string around. So there you go.
Lovely.
How cute. But yeah, if you put the elastic band on as a holder, then once you tie the string on, you can take it off. Right, I won't tie that in a knot because we'll need to. But they'll look like that. And then Nikki's got some handmade labels that she made. Where are they? A few years ago, she made these. She used to sell them. They're little Christmas jumpers. I don't know how well you. I don't think there we go. Merry Christmas, little Christmas jumpers. So we'll tie one of those on so people know what is in it.
Yes.
So here we go. They're the fabrics we've chosen.
Smell the vinegar.
Literally, if you come anywhere near this pot, your eyes will start watering. It smells good though. It does smell good. You can smell the spices behind the vinegar. Just about.
And there's a sweetness there as well.
Yeah, definitely.
The sweetness of the plums. So we think it's going to need a lot more boiling than the 20 to 30 minutes it said on the recipe. Maybe because we've done such a large amount. So we've done double the amount. So maybe it's going to take longer. So we'll let it keep boiling. We've got to go and do things like pick the kids up and stuff. But I'll come back and show you it all bottled up.
Yes.
So here we are. Next morning. I did this when I lit last night. And I forgot to film it. It wasn't very exciting. But anyway, their chutney is all done in all of their little jars. We ended up with 12 jars. Plus I use one leftover. And then that's a big IKEA pot full of it, and there was still some left in the bottom, but I think that's enough chutney for one village. So it's all looking good. We'll see you again another day for another Vlogmas.